In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Valorant VAN9003 UEFI error code Windows 11. To do this, it's really easy to fix. Basically, you want to enable the Safe Boot UEFI on your Windows 11. To do this, you want to restart your computer, and while you're doing that, you then want to press the delete button or F12 or F2 depending on the motherboard that you are using. So in my case, I'm using an Asus example right here, which in this case, the BIOS is going to be delete or F2, but in some other models, it's going to be something like F12. You simply want to head over to your BIOS right here. Now we have a lot of different BIOS out there. For example, we have Asus, we have another Asus right here, and we have more. You simply want to look for the Secure Boot option, and you want to make sure that this setting is turned on. Now, in some other cases, it will look something like this, where the Secure Boot is going to be enabled. In some case, which is once again going to be Asus, which the majority of us are going to be using. You just want to head over to the boot option, head over to the Secure Boot mode, and then you want to select standard. And lastly, for the Asus ROG motherboards, once again, head over to boot, head over to the OS type, and then select the Windows UEFI mode. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.